All right, everybody, this is for the F150 spare tire key removal without the key and also without a bolt strip tool, extrication tool. What you have is you have the pin at the end, okay? You need that special tool. Now, everybody is saying that you need a 15 millimeter bolt extraction socket. What I found works perfectly is just a standard 14 millimeter socket. So what I did was I hooked up all the extensions and I went through. Now, what you want to do is when you have that key, you want to just line it up the best you can. And then what you'll do is you're going to tap on the very end of the extensions with a hammer. And what that'll do is it'll fit that over the actual lock. And then at that point you can go and you can lower down the spare tire. So what I learned, guys, out there with these F-150s with these locks on them, you do not need the bolt extraction socket. All you need is a standard 14 millimeter 3/8 socket. What I did was I put them through with the extensions. I lined up over the key and then I just tapped on it with the hammer. What it did was it drove it over it enough to where it bit the ends. And what it'll do is it'll lower the tire down so you guys can knock these out. So just some helpful advice out there for you guys with the 9703 F-150s, F-250s, Expeditions that have this lock on it. Just know if you guys are in a pinch, you need to get this tire down, a standard 14 millimeter socket will work if you do not have the extraction set, because most people will not have an extraction set with them and they also will not have the key. So it will work with the 14 millimeter socket. Thanks, guys. Hope this was a big help.